This is a baby food maker kit. You can see we've got some blended up broccoli. Delicious. I actually really like these spoons. They are way less messy than other baby spoons I have used. So you can put your leftovers in this silicone tray. You can put it in the freezer. You can freeze it, save it for later. These can go in the fridge. Here's everything that comes out of the box. So you got these 6 trays, nice plastic trays for storing baby food or whatever. It's got some lids that have some air vents on it. That's really nice. I love those spoons. Here's a spatula as well. Comes with a nice silicone spatula. Again, here's these freezer things. Then the food processor. It's got a glass bowl, which is really nice for the food processor. Okay, so it's frozen. You take it out. You can just squeeze these out, plop them out. Looks pretty cool. I put it in a glass bowl so I can put it in a microwave and heat it up nice and easy. These things are super easy to clean. All of the plastic is really nice and easy to clean off. So it's got these symbols. I think it's freezer, dishwasher, microwave, and something. Sunshine? I'm not sure, but I don't recommend putting the plastic ones in the microwave. I use glass for that, but personal preference. There's the processor. It works just great, just like any other food processor. I got this unit for free to do this review. Very happy with it. It works great. My wife loves this thing. The food processor's fantastic. All of the storage containers are great. Super nice to use. And my baby loves it because it means we give him some food, which who doesn't like food?